Welcome to Team 18's video presentation of the NHS Mental Health app, developed as part of the App Design module at University College London. The Dawn app is a mobile application focused on mental health support, built using the Ionic framework. It is a hybrid mobile app allowing access to users of both iOS and Android devices. The team consisted of Caroline, myself, Jason, and Aisha. The problem our client faces is that it is often difficult for patients to access mental health service information due to disparate information sources. There can also be long waiting times to access NHS services, and so self-help is often encouraged by GPs as a means to bridge the gap between referral and being seen. The app should be used by GPs who can prescribe this app as a replacement for leaflets, although the app can be used by anyone in need of mental health support. With this in mind, our goal was to develop an application tailored to the needs of people who either suffer from mental health concerns or for carers of those with mental health conditions. We therefore set out to develop an application with emotional interaction strongly incorporated into the design. Additionally, the client stipulated 3 key principles. Firstly, the app should be reassuring to use for both novice and experienced app users. Secondly, the information provided should be understandable and avoid medical jargon. And finally, the app should be discreet and confidential to use. The client also provided a list of key requirements to be included in the app. These include contact numbers for use in a crisis, a mood journal for users to keep track of their moods and emotions over time, as well as a relaxation space. Regarding system architecture, we harnessed Angular's model view wildcard and component-oriented architecture, using plugins and native modules directly tailored to the needs of our application. The clearly defined interfaces to the presentation layer facilitate ease of code maintenance and adaptability. The Ionic framework used alongside Cordova plugins allow implementation of a range of features such as the Ionic calendar, the in-app browser, and document viewer. Using these front and back-end technologies together have allowed us to create the features seen throughout the app. Using the technologies discussed means we were able to develop a fully functional mobile app that meets and exceeds all of the basic requested requirements and use cases discussed. Okay, let's open the app. A splash screen displays initially while the content loads. Here on the landing screen there is a greeting followed by the main menu. Let's explore the self-help section. What is self-help? In this section there is some information for users to read through. There's also a slider to make the content more engaging. In the NHS self-help leaflets section, users can select one of the leaflets. This opens within the app. Users can read through, and once they have finished reading through this content, they can select back and return back to the main menu. Here in the mindfulness section there is some more information and some buttons for users to read about various aspects of mindfulness. In the motivational quote section, users can select the new quote button to generate a new motivational quote. These are chosen at random. In the advice and services section, there is some more information for users. For users in a crisis, there is a range of information and contact numbers. In the carer support section, there's some more information as well as a range of links for users to access further support. Again, these open within the app. In the mental health condition section, there are a range of useful leaflets which users can read through. Again, these open within the app. And users can select back to return back to the menu. In the Find a Service section, there are a range of links to local services. To make it easier to navigate through this, there is also a search bar. And this helps users to narrow down their searches. In this section, users can write about how they're feeling. By clicking Add Mood Journal Entry, they can add an entry, select their mood on the day, and also select the date and time for that particular day, and then that can be added. Previous entries can also be viewed so that users can keep track of their mood over time. In the inspirational videos section, users can watch videos about a range of topics. This displays the 10 most recent videos about this particular topic. Again, these can be viewed within the app. On this page, users can listen to relaxing sounds. In the positive visualization section, users can browse through these positive pictures using the slider. The last section, mental health feels like. This section includes a range of memes which users can look through. A new meme can be generated by selecting the random meme generator button here. Thank you.